This week I kick off a brand new series of Parkinson knee-deep in superstars. There's pop singer Victoria and footballer David, also known as the Beckhams. Another sort of great from a different era, Georgie Best, and that national treasure, Elton John. Join us at 9 on BBC One.
Here on BBC One, we have to suddenly interrupt our programming once again due to an important news flash via some important information we have just been shared. Please remain seated for your own safety and pay strict attention to what's being shown on screen. But most importantly, remain calm at all times. You are now watching BBC One. Do not be too alarmed. We have interrupted normal programming to bring you this basic text-based broadcast to quickly give you some new information. Please stand by. You are now watching BBC One. We have some news to deliver to you. As you all may know by now, many innocent civilians have went missing at the same time trumpets were heard blaring all across the globe. All of the relevant authorities are still in the process of looking through these sudden disappearances. Around certain parts of the world, there have been reports of earthquakes happening. Right at this moment, it's not known whether this is linked to current events. The countries affected are as followed by this. These are the affected countries. Starting first with Japan, France, and third, Germany. And last but not least, the United States of America. Flights from Great Britain to these countries have been suspended until further notice due to the sudden earthquakes happening. The Prime Minister, Tony Blair, is having a discussion with American President George Bush to see what next steps to take. If you are in any of the said countries stated in that list, you must take shelter right away, as it is vital for you to prevent severe injury or death. You should take shelter in a low place away from high objects and buildings crumbling on top of you. At this time, it's highly likely and unknown whether our great nation will be affected next by the earthquakes. There have also been further reports of unusual sounds being heard in the sky at the same time these events have occurred. We ask all civilians to further report any more suspicious activity being witnessed or heard to the relevant authorities. Further research is being conducted to find the main cause of these events. With that being stated, it's in your best interest to stay tuned to all news stations and follow any guidance given by Her Majesty's government. We urge Her Royal Majesty the Queen to come forward and address the nation shortly. That's all the news we have received for the time being. We thank you for your attention and understanding despite the unforeseen circumstances. Normal programming for all British Broadcasting Corporation channels shall now resume shortly.